Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Chronix and Kabaka Pyramid get spiritual with Same Prayer. Reggae artists Chronic and Kabaka Pyramid yesterday released a new single dubbed Same Prayer, a soothing reggae track which is the follow-up to Chronix's dancehall hip-hop inspired single Della Move released back in March. Sharing via Instagram, Chronix noted that Same Prayer is in part a prayer for the younger generation to reflect on internally, and also a reminder that there is a greater power directing things in the physical space which should be looked into instead of looking for solutions in our material lives.
Every drop of air I breathe, and for waking me up this morning, and when I'm trotting in the streets today, please judge I never leave.
Same Prayer is the second single from Chronix's upcoming sophomore album dubbed Della Splash, scheduled for release this year. Now to news overseas, where the Grammys will stop using the term urban to describe music of black origin in its awards. The Recording Academy announced on Wednesday that the prize for Best Urban Contemporary Album will be renamed Best Progressive R&B Album to ensure the organization evolves with the musical landscape and reflects the current state of the music industry. The renaming is intended to highlight albums that include the more progressive elements of R&B and may include samples and elements of hip-hop, rap, dance, and electronic music. Tyler, the Creator, winner of Best Rap Album at the 2020 Grammys, is among celebrities who have criticized the use of the term urban in the Grammy Awards, noting that the term was racially insensitive and belittled the innovation of black music.
And I don't like that urban word. It's just a politically correct way to say the N-word to me.
The renaming of the urban category is the latest development in the entertainment industry, which reflects Black Lives Matter related initiatives prompted by the death of George Floyd. Now this Saturday, Fame Frequency shines the spotlight on our TV and radio personalities as they join the party as our special guest DJs. Special guests, get this, Simone Clark Cooper, Craigie T, Oral Tracy, hey, and Talia Suarez will join Fame 95 FM's DJs Franco and Denvo alongside Hits 92 FM DJ Tropical. Get access to the VIP Watch Yourself Zoom area by registering with Fame 95 FM and RETV's Instagram pages, and see you this Saturday night at 9 p.m. on RETV and 11 p.m. right here on TVJ for Fame Frequency Spotlight, where radio meets television. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.